Hi there. So on the last episode or the last video, we have created a tutorial and I demonstrate how you can add coupon code option on your Ninja forms. And this time I will share or show you how you can add manual or the local bank transfer option on your Ninja forms. So let's see how we can do this. Before do this, we will need a new plugin or add-ons it will use to file upload. So where we will need this file upload plugin? We will need this because when we would like to take payment using check or using bank transfer, we might wants to collect the screenshot of the payment or something like PDF file so we can cross check easily. Otherwise, it will be a bit difficult. So if you prefer to grab the screenshot or the payment receipt, then you can use the file uploads plugin. But if you don't prefer, you can just leave it. It's totally fine. So you can get it from there. It will be ninjaforms.com/add-ons or /extension/file-uploads.com. You can visit here to purchase this plugin or you can go for the subscription. So let's see. So this is our existing form what we have built on the last video. If you did not watch the video, you can watch it from the link in the description below. So right now it's look like this. So let's add the payment option. So we have to add a radio field, and from there we wants to give two options for the user. Or maybe more option. Payment method. We can use like Stripe, and another could be like offline or bank transfer. So it can be bank transfer. Let's make this field required. And if someone pick Stripe, we will redirect them to the Stripe. But if someone select the bank transfer, we would like to give the more fields regarding the bank transfer option. So at first, we would like to give them bank name. Can be bank name, which bank they used to send the money. Then we would like to allow them the account number, then we can ask for the routing number or branch name. Branch name would be good. Oh, sorry, branch name. So bank name, account number, branch name. In your country, if you need more information, you can add it here. It's totally fine. And we can also add transaction number or transaction ID. It can be optional because sometimes the user may not be able to get the transaction ID or they have to manually type from the screenshot. So or the bank receipt, we also give them to upload file. So it can be like payment proof or the payment receipt. Here we would like to give sorry, it will be no, it will be on here. Wait a minute, we have branch name, or we have deleted transaction ID. Yes, so let me add it back. Transaction ID, it should be optional. File upload, we can call it payment receipt. It should be required. We can save to the server. So it will save to on your server. You can rename this file. It can be like the first name, like who sent the payment. If you would like to easily identify, you can set it alone. Then you can add the membership label, so silver. Then you can add the bank name like Citibank. So then if we call JPG, you can easily identify who made the payment, who is membership label, and who is a bank they have used. To do that, you can add the marks tag, so first name. We can add also the last name. Then, we can add the membership label, and before that, we can add a hyphen. Then we can add another hyphen for the bank name. So, go to the fields or search for the bank name. Oh, sorry. Bank name, yes, it should be there. Can you go to payment method total amount? Let me see why it's not available here. Let's publish and reload the form. Okay, we was working here. So we got first name, last name, membership label, and we would like to have the bank name. Here is the bank name. So sometimes if you don't see the marks tag is populated, you can reload the form, then it should be working fine. And you can also save to the media library, but the payment information should not be saved to the media library. If you select, then it WordPress will generate a multiple thumbnails, medium size, large size, image size. So we don't want to do this. Here is the some restriction. So how many file they can upload? They can upload just one, and allow file types. They can upload PDF, JPG, JPEG, then we can allow to EGIC, that means iPhone format, and PNG. Then I think it's good. The maximum file size could be 5 megabyte because those type of files doesn't take much space. So it should be 5 megabyte is good enough. There have some other settings. We don't have to those settings, so it's good. And don't set this required by default. Let it by default is optional, but we will set using the conditional logic. So whenever someone select the bank transfer, they will go those information, but they also need our bank information to send the money. So we would like to have a HTML field where we would like to share our bank information. We can add our bank information like bank name, Wise Payment Limited, or whatever you prefer, branch name, we have to add the account number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and if you would like to have the Swift, you can add the Swift code wise 1 2 3 or whatever you have. If you need more information like routing number, you can also add the routing number. So those information should be by default hidden, but only available when someone select the option bank information. So let's just preview the form on the front end. So by default, all fields should be display. Yes, everything is displaying there, but we would like to have them only available when someone select the bank transfer option. And let's make it bolder for this information. So you can make it bolder, all other the information here. And if you would like to have more control, you can go to here, you can make it like you would like to have it history. So you can add as a HTML file. So we are good. Now we would like to work with the technical part, that means the conditional part. So here is our preview. Let's go to the advanced conditional logic and display those fields. So we would like to have a new conditional logic. When someone select the payment method, has selected the bank transfer, then we would like to display the bank information show field. Then also would like to display the bank name account number. So bank name, it should be display and it should be also required. So they have to insert their bank name there, otherwise they should not be able to submit the form. Account number should be display and account number should be also required. Then branch name should be display and branch name should be also required. Then transaction ID should be display, but it should be optional. Transaction ID should be just display, but should not be required. There have payment receipt field, so we should make this field also this show field and also required. Let's see if we can make it required or no. So let's just make it this way. And if the conditional doesn't mean meet, then bank information should be hidden. The account name or the bank name should be hide, and also bank name should be optional or not required. Because if you hide the required field, it can generate error. So we have to make this field also not required. Hide the field and account number is not required. Then we have branch name, not required. Then the transaction ID should be hidden. Then the payment receipt should be hidden. So here we go. Everything looks correct. But if someone select Stripe, then what will happen? Right now, if we test our form, we'll see by default all the things is hidden. If we select bank transfer, then our bank information is showing like this. So we can make the field as it is now, but whenever someone select Stripe, we would like to add a Stripe payment method, and it should be triggered only when someone select the payment method has selected Stripe. Otherwise, this should not be processed. Right now, if we click to submit, it will redirect us to the Stripe, but we don't want to do this. It should be only trigger when it's selected Stripe. So let's publish the form and reload the page. Let's test with the Stripe. So turn off. Okay. Or we can just leave the coupon box off right now and click to submit. It will redirect us to the Stripe. But let's cancel the transaction and reload the page, and let's try the bank transfer. Look, this empty bank transfer. Now we have to add those information like Citibank account number is this, a random number, then a branch name like Newark, transaction ID we can leave it blank, but we have to upload an image as the payment receipt. So we can upload this image, and then we can submit the form. So this is how you can collect the manual payment from your form. If you go back to the dashboard, Ninja Forms and Submissions, and select the gym membership, go to this field, we'll see here is our payment information, and here is our file which we collect from the user. They have sent us as a payment receipt. So if you need more fields or more other data, you can add from there. You can make them required, make them optional, or what you need. It's fully customizable, and this will allow you to take a manual payment or the local bank transfer using this. If you prefer to take the payment using check, you can also add a field for the file upload. It should be like a check option, so someone can upload a check here. So this is it for today. If you need more tutorials regarding Ninja Forms or anything else, you can comment below and I will try to create a video for you. Thanks for watching the video, and see you on the next time.